Hello Robins and Wrens, it's Maths, it's Tuesday and we are carrying on learning to tell the time. So let's have a look at our first slide. Let's have a little recap, see if you can answer the questions. How many hours are there in a day? The answer is 24. 24 hours in a day. How many minutes in an hour? 60. 60 minutes in an hour. The long hand on the clock tells us the hours or the minutes. The long hand tells us the minutes. The short hand tells us the hours or the minutes. Shorthand tells us the hours. Right, let's have a little practice, remind ourselves about telling the time. Here we go. So we've got the long hand pointing straight up. It's on the hour, it's o'clock. The short hour hand is pointing at the 10, so it's 10 o'clock. The minute hand moves around the clock. It's gone how far around the clock? A quarter. It's travelled a quarter of the way around, so it's quarter past. Remember the first half of the clock is past, and the hour hand has just moved a little bit beyond the 10. Quarter past 10. When it gets to here, it's travelled halfway around the clock, 10:30. And then when it's in the second half of the clock, we start talking about the time until the next hour, how long into the next hour. And there's a quarter left to travel. So it's a quarter to, and the hour hand is almost at the 11. So it's quarter to 11 o'clock. Right, let's see what time is. What time is that? Long minute hand. It's pointing down, straight down. Half. It's gone halfway around the clock, so it's half past. And the hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2, so it's gone past the 1, hasn't got to the 2 yet. 2:30. Right, let's try another one. Wait for the clock to stop. Long minute hand. It's travelled a quarter of the way around the clock. So it's quarter past. And the hour hand, it's just gone past the 3. So it's quarter past 3. Let's have a look at another one. Oh, what time is that? The long minute hand is in the 2 section of the clock. It's in the second half of the clock. So we're going to talk about how long until the next hour. So it's got a quarter left to go. So it's quarter to, now the hour hand, it's almost at the 5. So it's quarter to 5. One more. There we go. The long minute hand, it's travelled half way around, half past. The hour hand, it's in between the 6 and the 7. It's gone past the 6, half past 6. Now, in today's lesson, you're going to work through the slides and it's going to talk about the minutes, because obviously a clock doesn't just skip straight from the 12 to the quarter past, to the half past, to the quarter to the o'clock, to 1 the hour. And as you work through the slides, you're going to learn how all of these numbers that go round the clock, which are the hour numbers, they always stay the hour numbers, but you can also use them to tell you each 5 minutes. I'll put this on. You'll notice that the numbers, the hour numbers, also double up as 5 minutes, 5-minute intervals. So we can count round the clock in 5 minutes using the hour numbers. So let's skip count together. So say it with me, nice out loud, along with the video. Don't be shy. We go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes in an hour, remember? So if you want to work out how many minutes it is, you can use the hour and you can skip count around to see how many minutes past it is. So we know this as 8:15. If you wanted to say it in minutes, you could say 5, 10, 15. 15 minutes past 8. And that's what you're going to learn today and then practice in the independent task. Again, you can use this clock to help you. You can click this little button here. That puts the minutes on and off. So you can put that on to help you. Okay, enjoy the lesson. Try the challenges and send me your work. Thanks.